Hey guys, I'm Lokesh Kutal again with a brand new video, and today we are gonna unbox and review a product that is the mic that I'm using right now. And this mic is a really budget oriented mic, so that you will getting this mic in a really price range that is really awesome. So without wasting time, let's get started. So basically this mic is an awesome mic, but before we just go to the review of this product, let's just unbox this thing. So this is the box of the mic, and this mic is really awesome as I am telling you, but now the box is right now here, but this unboxing is not gonna be really awesome, so just keep it like this. So let's see the box. So the box itself is not that much big, but you can see that on the back it is written it can be used as in the cameras, it can be used in the DSLRs, it can be used in the smartphones and also audio recorders, PCs, etc. And all the information specification of this microphone is being written on this. So let's just unbox this right now. So let's just clip off all these things and let's see what we can just do it. Now the first thing that we are getting is a pouch that is being provided with this box, and on this branding is there of the boya. So let's just open this up also and let's see what do we get right here. So we get a pouch, again a pouch in which all the accessories that it has, and let's just see what are these accessories, what do we get right here. So the first thing that we are getting right here is a clip right here. As you can see, it's a metallic clip, so it will be not breaking that soon, and you should have to use it really as a purpose of recording too, so just don't use it really harshly. So second thing is right now that's the cell. Let's see the cell, and this is the cell that is going to be in the mic, and this is a 1/4 adapter that you are getting with this phone. And let's see what do we get right here, a black kind of thing, and that is known as the wind filter, wind pop filter, what do we say it. And this pop filter is also a good pop filter. It's the size of a microphone, so it's really small. It's about 1 inch I guess, and it's a really awesome thing. Now let's see what do we get more in this box. So let's see, yeah, this is the microphone itself. What do we get right here? And the wire of this microphone is really big, and this microphone itself is a really good microphone. So as you can see, the microphone is really small. It's about 2 to 1.5 inch. You could just guess it with your hands, and you can see the boya in which you can just turn off or just go in the camera mode and etc. So if you want to use it with PC, you should have to go with the camera mode. Now this all is the unboxing experience of this thing, so let's jump into the main video. As you have seen the unboxing, this unboxing contains a cell, a microphone itself, the wind pop filter, and a 1/4 adapter. So all these things conclude this mic, and this mic is a really simple mic to use. You just have to use it with a long wire, a really long wire, and then you just have to clip it right here, and then you just need to plug it into your phone, and then you're just gonna say as like I'm saying right now. So this works with your PCs, this works with your smartphones, and any other thing that you want to have. But if a device does not have a 3.5 mm jack, you could also use this 1/4 adapter that could be used to plug that thing into any other device that contains a 1/4 adapter place. So what this is gonna feature you is really awesome nice noise cancellation, and basically this is having a really awesome crisp and clear sound. It is having a lot of bass and treble too, and basically you don't have to do much editing that I do a lot of times when I was having a really bad mic, but now I am having this mic. But let's see what it is gonna perform in different conditions, like a windy place, a hall, and this too. So we are just gonna test a little bit, and let's see which one, the mic or the onboard mic of my mobile phone. So let's just see. So the sound that you are listening to right now is recorded with this mic. So now let's change this thing to the onboard mic of my phone. So the sound that you're listening to right now is being recorded with the microphone that is in my mobile phone. So you can see a really big difference from here to here, and you can see that what happens when you don't have a microphone. Now let's just go to an hall. So basically right now I am in a hall that is having a lot of echo. So you can see that this is being recorded with a mic. Now let's see what my phone microphone does. So let's move. It's being recorded with the microphone that is in the phone right here, and you can see a lot of difference. So let's go to a windy place now. So right now guys, I am right here on the top of my roof, and I know the sun is really harsh, but right now you can see that it's a windy place and this microphone is doing its work. But let's see what my onboard mic does. This is the onboard mic, and you could see that the wind is going to happen, but I'm just going down because it's feeling really hot right here. So let's go down now. So after all these, I think you get an idea what a microphone does in a video, and this is really important for any kind of video. So if you want to buy this microphone, I'm gonna give you a link right there, and this microphone name is Boya M1 mic right here, and this microphone is really awesome mic. So you just have to buy this, and this is about 1300 rupees. So it's not a big deal to get a 1300 rupees, but if you are a beginner, just go with the earphone microphone because that is also good. So that's all for today. Keep watching my channel. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos so that I get motivation from your support, and I hope I will see you in the next video.